remove the magnet, it might turn off. See, off. So the board is bad, the relay is bad. So this is on a Whirlpool French door older unit. It uses a circuit board. So right now we're going to be connecting the magnet on the board and you'll hear the compressor kicking on. So you can use a magnet to activate the relay on your jazz board, and hopefully that will get your compressor running until you can replace the main board. Or sometimes you can actually remove that relay and replace it and get your fridge fixed. Thanks for watching.